Push starting, also known as a rolling start, is a technique used to start a manual transmission car when the battery is dead or the starter fails. The method works by using the car's momentum to turn the engine over through the transmission and clutch, completely bypassing the need for the starter motor. Push starting only works on manual transmission vehicles because they have a clutch mechanism that allows the engine to be engaged while the car is moving. While push starting has become less common in 2025 due to advancements in battery technology and the prevalence of automatic transmissions, it remains a valuable emergency skill for owners of older or manual vehicles. Park on a slight downhill slope, turn the ignition to the on position without starting, and ensure the parking brake is off. Shift into second gear to provide the right gear ratio for engine engagement. Depress the clutch pedal and have someone push the car to about 10 to 15 miles per hour. If alone, coast downhill. Once at speed, quickly release the clutch pedal while turning the key to the start position. The engine should start. Once started, press the clutch and brake to stop. Be cautious and avoid unsafe areas. If it doesn't start after a few tries, get professional help.